So now we've actually cut out our little shape. So remember we started with it like this, it's all folded. I've now cut it out. But remember you could do all sorts of different shapes. It doesn't have to be too geometric, but you can use your tiles. So they're little ones to do later. So it's all now cut out. So now what you're going to do is we're actually going to think about how it's going to work on the block. So we're just going to draw around. I've just drawn around my block on the piece of paper, and I'm now going to stick these onto here trying to create my design. So it doesn't really matter what you need to start with, but there is like a positive and a negative. So you need to sort of work out which goes where. So that is going to go around the outside there. So the next bit is this bit. So that can't go in there. So that's going to have to think about going in there. Then we're going to think about the next one here. So this next one there. Because what we need is to have gaps between where you have got your neoprene. So we need the gaps so that we get the shape printed. So we can sort of work out that that square is going to go there. And then this one is going to go in there. So we are going to stick these down inside your square, and this is exactly so you can see how your block would work. So where we've got the orange paper, that is what's going to print. So it's like my green neoprene here. So this one is a similar one to this one here. So you can see which is going to print. So that one is that one. And then this one is your negative and your positives. So you can choose which one. But even at this stage, you can do some changes. At the moment, I don't really like that solid bit there. So I'm thinking I might refold that. And I might literally, remember, you've got to cut on your fold. I'm just going to cut another little square out here. So I'm just going to cut that out so that I can then put that back into there. Just create another sort of idea. And then we're going to pop that one back in there just to give that little bit. So your next stage is to just start sticking these down. I would start with your outer ones, your bigger ones, and then you can work your way inward. So you're literally just going to get your Pritt stick. You're just going to turn this over. You're going to just Pritt stick it down. So just get your Pritt stick. Be careful because they are quite delicate and it will depend on your design. So a little bit of Pritt stick. Start in the corner, lay that down, and then just gently ease it into place like that, and then you can put your hand down to stick, and then obviously you'd get your next piece, put your Pritt stick down and stick that down like that.